Hey everyone, so today we are trying on the Lululemon Leopard print set. Now I picked up a few items in this print. It dropped today in the store. I believe it should be online shortly. I picked up the Align leggings in the 28-inch in a size 6. I also picked up this cute little shirt, which is called the Swiftly cami, and I picked that up in a size 4. I got the Hottie Hot shorts in a size 6 as well. No, I got them in a size 4 because I usually like to size down in these. Yes. These have really awesome details. Like, look at this zipper. Like, that's really cool. Some of these pieces are just like very next level. And then I also picked up this jacket. So I don't know. I feel like this is the star of the show. It has so many cool details. They also had a men's jacket. I was really tempted to actually try on the men's, but you know, my brain just kind of turned off. So this is the one that we have. I picked it up in a size extra small, and I actually didn't notice this until I got it home, but it actually is, it has removable sleeves. So see, there's like a zipper here. So this actually becomes a vest as well. So it's like 2 products in one, which I just think girl math is awesome. The head has, you know, one of these little squeezy pull things, and it is called the Transformable Windbreaker in Leopard. So it is resolved, it is leopard, it is not cheetah. It is open in the back, so you do get easy breezy, beautiful CoverGirl wind back here, but it is darted. You could probably like take that off if you wanted it to be fully open. At the bottom, it is scrunchy, and I think that's it. So let's go ahead and try these things on. Oh, I picked up the clippable card holder because I'm just like a huge believer that like if you have a set and you have the extra accessory, like, you know, if it costs like $28 more, this is going to be so like, it's going to make the whole outfit just feel like, oh, she's so put together because she just has this like one single extra thing. So I would even almost prefer like the jacket and this if I was just going to pick up 2 items, or like the shorts in this, because it just feels a little bit more complete. Now, I think they will have other items coming other than these SKUs. So I'm excited to try like the shorts in the Align, but they didn't have them in the store. So I picked up the super long ones instead. And let's go ahead and try them on and see what we like. Okay, so first up we have the Swiftly cami, and I don't know, I kind of like it, but it's not my favorite. I think the print itself is like definitely not my favorite, especially because the other items in the collection are a little bit different than this one. It doesn't fully match. What I do like about it is that, not even the material, I really don't like the material, but underneath here you do have a message as well as underneath on the back. So I do really like that. I don't really think I love the cut either. I kind of wish it was like either gonna be like fully, you know, high or not, like a little bit more scoop. So overall, this one's kind of a fail for me. Here is our Transformable Windbreaker. So I actually really love this. So it is a full zip right in front. So it's pretty loud if you can hear it. So that might be a downfall. But I like it. I think it's really cute. I think it fits well. This is an extra small. The pockets are pretty big and spacious. You do have the extra like mesh pocket right in the front. And then of course, here is the back. You have this little squeeze tab right there. I don't really know what that's for, to be honest. And then of course the sleeves are going to be removable. So let's go ahead and open it up and I will show you how it works. So right here, you'll see like there's a connection point, and it might even be easier to do this from the outside. So we're gonna go unzip all the way around. This is pretty cool. Okay, and then it's going to be detached, and then we can put it back on and see. Ah, it's so cool. So there's the sleeve, kind of like a Magic Mike moment. So go ahead and put it back on fully. So you can see first it's a vest, and now it's a jacket. And now it's a vest, and there's the back of it, and there's the back of the jacket. Here are the Align leggings. So these are the longer version. They are the 28-inch, and I just love the Align. I think they are the best. You can't tell me otherwise. So overall, I really like them. I think they're soft and silky, and they feel kind of on brand for them being a cheetah, a leopard. Now, something I think people are gonna wonder is what the color of the inside is. So that part is, of course, just doubled over, but you do have like a tan color inside. On here, like on the inside of this layer, you do have a pocket, so keep that in mind. Standard to align leggings. It's not in the back, it is on the side. So there it is. I don't think these match, so I would not wear these together. Okay, so here is our Transformer jackets. I have it on as a jacket, and then I also have it on as a vest, so you can see both versions. Now this is it with it open, and then of course we can try to zip it up and not have it fail. And that's the vest version, and then that's the jacket version. These are the Hottie Hot shorts. So I mentioned I tried on a size 4. Now I do wear a size 6 in the leggings, but I do like the size 4 in their shorts. I have this in the dancer shorts as well, and I feel like they fit a little bit better. I could probably go for a 6 as well, but I feel like you don't need that much more space. They're not crunchy or noisy themselves, it's just the jacket. So this is it with the tank. Again, I don't think that the tank works here. I think it is like a different animal, but that is the overall look. You have the matching coin pouch, which I mentioned I love to have just as like the continuation of the collection, and I love the like accent of red. So that is it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.